Right then, boys and girls, Ivysaur Fingers back with you again for part 2 of my lessons on 50 ways to say goodbye from train. Right, in part 1 we covered the Spanish field intro section, followed by the Spanish field verse, and then the chorus. Okay, and then when he came out of the first chorus we played the Spanish field intro again. So we're now going into the second verse. Okay, so it's basically verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Okay, so the second verse is basically the same to play as the first verse, but with different words, obviously. So I'll come in playing the Spanish bit, intro bit, after the first chorus. Okay. Right, second verse. My pride still feels the same. You were my everything. Someday I'll find a love like yours. She'll think I'm Superman, not Superman. How could you leave on your good? But in my friend's house where you are, I'm going to say, and it's exactly the same as verse 1, you see, with the ad-lib at the end. Okay, play it exactly the same, different words on the verse. So then we go into the next chorus. Okay, exactly the same to play basically as the first chorus. So after you come in, let's go over in my friend's house where you are, I'm going to say, she was caught in a mess. So same chords again, G, caught in a D, by line A, corona B minor to A, on G, D, I'm a good C sharp minor, F sharp, G, just right up in the D, goes down in a hot A, B minor to A, F, B, G, D, F sharp. And ways to say you died, and then we do the intro again, yeah? Alright, go exactly the same again, so now this is where it changes. So you do a whole bar on F sharp after you come out of that then we go up to G, either with a standard G or a bar chord G, whichever you want. Okay, so E minor, hold 4 beats on F sharp, 4 beats on G. So if you want to do it as a F sharp like that, to G, and then we go to A, sus 4. Okay, I wanna live 1,000 lives with you. This is A sus 4. That's an A chord with the little pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string there. 4, 5 downwards. Okay, A sus 4. So it's I wanna live 1,000, and to the A chord on lives with you. And into a G chord, I wanna be the one you're dying to. Back to the A sus 4, love A, but you don't G, 1, 2. And that's the bridge section. Okay, so we do the intro. F sharp for 4, G for 4, A sus 4. Wanna live 1,000 A's with you, G. Wanna be the one you're trying to. A sus 4, A, then G 1, 2, and then our old favourite, that's cool, but at my friend's house, where are you going? And I'm going to say, but you do it twice this time, okay? So it's, that's cool, but at my friend's house, where you are, I'm going to say, that's cool, but at my friend's house, where you are, I'm going to say. And we do another chorus. G, she went down in a plenty fried get a suntan, fell in a smelly mix of full of quicksand. Help me, I'm a goodbye. Exactly the same as usual, but a shark in the water, fell under 1/4. I returned to everything I've ever brought her. Help me, I'm all out of lies, the F sharp lies. And then we go back into another chorus. She was caught in a mudslide, eaten by a lion. Alright, so that's like, I return everything I ever bought her. Help me, I'm all out of lies. I play that F sharp sus2 again there, either with that type, or just with the bar chords, okay? Help me, where it says, help me, I'm all out of life, sus4, G, she was caught in a G, D, lion, A, you got run over, B minor to A, crap the silent, help me, I'm the C sharp minor, F sharp, she dried G up in the desert, D drowning, A, that's the dip, B minor to A, inside nightclub, G, help me, D, I'm all out, F sharp, lies, and ways to say you, G, died. Now we've just got some statics or stabs chords, okay? This is the outro, okay? Help me, I'm all out of F sharp lies, and ways to say you, G, B minor, A. So G, B minor, however simple one will do, okay? A, pause, and then G, D, A. So it's G, B minor, A, and then G, D, A. Subtle, okay? And there's the whole thing for you, okay? So what we'll do is we'll go through the whole section where I took over for part 2, right? So we're coming out of no, we'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go from the end of the second chorus, okay, where we're going into the Spanish intro again, into the bridge section, okay. So Spanish section and then into the bridge section, the intro section, bridge section. Here we go. G, A sus4, wanna build 1,000, A, G, wanna build your time to A sus4, loved, A, but you G want to add a little bit. That's cool, but if my friend's house where you are, I'm going to, and again, that's cool, but if my friend's house where you're going to, I'm going to, it's a chorus when you're down in an airplane, fried with the suntan, fell in a cement mixer full of quicksand. Help me, I'm no good at goodbyes. She made a shark in the water, fell in the 1/4. I returned everything I bought her. Help me, I'm all out of life. She was caught in a landslide, eaten by a lion, got run over by a crocodile circle lion. Help me, I'm no goodbye. She dried up in the desert, drowned in a hot tub, gasped by the beach with the nightclub. Help me, I'm all out of line. The ways to say you died. Okay, So there you have it, boys and girls. A bit rough around the edges, but I forgot to do the on that bit that came out of the first chorus towards the end. Help me, I'm all out of sharps. I played the F sharp major, I didn't play the sus first. But she was caught in a mudslide, eaten by a lion, got run over by a crop of purple scion. Help me, I'm a goodbyes. She dried up in the desert, drowned in a hot tub, danced to death at the east side nightclub. Help me, I'm all out of life, and wait to say you died. And there you have it, boys and girls. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now.